guys, I drive a Chevy Silverado and I've been looking for the manual for the 2023. Although it's gonna be the same thing for even the newer one. But anyways, this is for a 2023 Silverado Chevy. So right now, what I was looking for is the tow because I wasn't sure if I needed to use this while I'm on the highway. Because a lot of people say don't activate it while you're on the highway, just activate it while you're on a hill, going down a hill, or anything like that. According to the manual, it doesn't say that you need to use it all the time, but it does say that it will improve your performance. So that's right in this part. So it does tell you to use it while you're hauling heavy loads to increase performance and vehicle control. So basically, tow or haul mode adjusts the transmission shift pattern, steering, and trailer sway control if equipped. So that's a big thing because that sway control is actually pretty important. So I think even if you're going on a highway, that's a good thing. Plus the transmission shift pattern, I guess that makes more sense when you're going up a hill or down a hill. So that makes sense again for up, down a hill. Sway, I think that's important for highway. That's just my opinion. So this also tells you that you don't have to turn it off and on all the time. So for example, if you park your car and you're towing your RV, then don't worry about having to turn it on back again if it's within 4 hours, because it's going to be on anyways. If it's parked for more than 4 hours, then yeah, you have to turn it on again. Now if we're talking about diesel engines, then that's different. That's right here. You guys can see more information. And that's it. Really, does this give you an answer? Should you have it on all the time? No. But it does tell you to use it when you're hauling heavy loads. So in my case, I'm going to keep using it. I've been told not to use it so I can save up some gas. I think it most likely will save up some gas if I turn it off. But then again, that's weight control. I think it does happen at times and you just don't know when it's going to happen. You might be going through a patch of the highway where it gets really windy and then you get that sway. So I think it's worth it to have it on. I think it does consume more gas, but you guys can try it out yourselves. And I think that's why there's so many opinions out there. Should you use it? Should you not use it? I particularly think, based on this information, which is, barely any, it will actually be good for your car to use this mode when you're hauling anything heavy, such as a trailer behind you. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. This is the manual. These are the exact words from the manual that I saw from Chevy.com. And that would be it. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.